Got my spoon ready. It's breakfast time. And we're gonna do another one of these Chobani flips. Now I chose this one because it's kind of my least favorite, or my least, the one I'm least excited for, because I'm very picky about cookies and cream stuff. Like I only really like cookies and cream ice cream, and like the Hershey's cookies and cream chocolate bars. And yeah. Anyway, so this is Chobani Flip cookies and cream icing pieces, chocolate cookies, and vanilla low-fat Greek yogurt with chocolate. Spoon. This is what she looks like. Again, what she looks like. I'm gonna mix it. Hopefully it doesn't taste like ass, but yeah. We'll see, we'll see. Got this at Walmart. I believe it was like one something, just under $2. Sorry, outside of my nose, I just really taste the vanilla yogurt more than anything. You do eventually get like the pieces and stuff, but I think it just the yogurt flavor itself drowns it out. But it's not bad. I think I would prefer other flavors. But yeah, if you want to try that, go to Walmart. Like Oscar, check these and bye.